Coats 9500 coming at you. It's good old Tuesday, July 22nd. It is 7:06 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I was at the soup kitchen today and I had a great meal. I had some beef, white rice, steamed vegetables, and a big salad with French dressing. And I got some snacks to go home with. So you'll see here. All these cupcakes, huh? All these cupcakes. Right there. What happened was I tipped the container sideways and they kind of spilled. They'll be alright. I'll just take one of those plastic knives and put the frosting back on them. Right there. Those were all for free, given to me. Right there. Then I got 2 bottles of vitamin water right there for free. And I got all these macadamia nut cookies for free. I got 3 bags of them. Quite a few cookies there. And I got a box of Cheez-Its. And like I said, all this stuff was free. I didn't have to pay for it. So, you know, save a few bucks here and there. Just a snack late at night, once in a while. Maybe a couple, 3 cookies, a couple, 3 cupcakes or something. Whatever. But anyways, that's about all I got to say. Just trying to survive another day. Living in the van. Living in the van. Imagine that. Okay guys, you enjoy these videos. You know what to do. Hit the old like button. Appreciate it. And I'll talk to you all later.